Good morning to all. In this session, we are going to see about the bricks and classification. Second part. This is based on their usages and on the raw materials. So first of all, we see about the bricks. What is the brick? Brick is a type of block which used to build walls, placement, and other elements in masonry constructions. The brick denotes the block composed of dried clay, but it is now also used informally to denote the other chemical cured construction bricks. Bricks can be joined together using mortar, adhesives, or by interlocking them. Bricks produced in numerous classes, types, materials, and sizes, which vary with the region and time period. Here the bricks are, you can see the bricks are laid on the floor itself as a tile itself, and also bricks are used which having a permanent shape by the interlocking system for the walls or for the partitions. This is the standard size of bricks itself. In millimeters, we say about the 190 mm length and 90 mm width and 90 mm breadth, or in inches. In commercially, we say as a 7 inches, 7.5 inches as a length and 4 inches in breadth and 4 inches in width. There is a hollow shape will be placed for the interlocking system itself. Now we see according to the bricks and of the classifications. So based on shape, based on quality, based on their using, and based on their weather resisting company, based on the raw materials, building purposes, and based on the management methods. So far the last video we seen about the based on the shape itself. Now in this video we say about we see the classification based on their quality and their uses and their raw materials. So first class, we say there are 4 class bricks are there. First class bricks, second class bricks, third class and fourth class bricks. So first class bricks, we say is high quality bricks having uniform shapes. This color and texture will be having a perfect of a dark pink color or the reddish color, and they have sharp edges also. But if the scratches of the nails, they leave no mark on it. You cannot able to scratches on the nails or any other instruments. Moreover, if they stuck against together, the clear metallic sound is produced. Yet they are free from effusions, cracks, and other flaws. The crushing strength of these bricks is approximately 105 kg per centimeter square, which cannot be able to done by the manually. So the water absorption after 24 hours in the water, that's no more than 10 to 15% of the mass of bricks. Next we see about the second class bricks. So the second bricks, they are also having a well sound, well burned itself. But the second bricks have some irregularities in the shape and textures. Like the first class bricks, they are not free from the cracks, considerably efferents, but the water absorption after 24 hours in the water is about 20% of the mass of the bricks. So they are also used for the load bearing walls also, but of moderate capacity. Usually in single story buildings only they will be used there. So since they are having a more weight on. However, they are widely used in the partition walls. And now see the third class bricks. So the third class are slightly under the burnt bricks. They are termed as the third class. It's not more burnt, but it's having a scratches on the brick can be easily done there. But there we say this not mostly defaultly there will be uniform shapes, but the corners will be not as sharp as a first class or second class bricks. Their crushing strength is about 30 kg per centimeter square, but these are mostly used in the buildings now considered of the construction buildings, but the absorption of 25% of the mass of bricks is after 24 hours only. So they produce a dull sound when they struck against each other. Metallic sound will be created by the first class, second class bricks only. Here they give a dull sound. And the fourth class bricks are also poor bricks, but they are not burnt properly, having very low strength also. But however commercially, however they can be used for the flooring types only. These are the types of common bricks itself. So now we are seeing in the board is one of the third class bricks itself. The bricks of the first class bricks in the first video itself, first slide itself. So these bricks are more commonly used as third class bricks itself, and they have low resistance, low quality. So these are not the engineering bricks, which in commercial you can see able to have sharp corners. The second class bricks these are, and they have excellent loads capacity also. And these are the Fly ash nowadays, apart from the dry clay bricks, clay dried bricks, we are using the fly ash bricks also. So fly ash bricks is manufactured from the fly ash at about 1000 degrees centigrade, and some studies have these bricks has been tend to fail due to poor poor produce of properties. And they knew apart from the fly bricks, there's a concrete bricks are there. So these concrete bricks are used for also used in the fly ash bricks, but here this is a solid bricks. It is a damp proof course. It is better than the hollow bricks, but it is a having low resistance capacity of the dry clay bricks. Based on the raw materials and based on the usage, we are using about the classification of the bricks. Thank you for watching this video.